Hello, this is Mrs. Poland for lesson 12.06 on arithmetic and geometric series, and we're going to be working on example 7. So let's quickly turn to that. So for this skill, we want to find the value of the following expression and round to the nearest integer. And we notice that we have the capital sigma indicating we're going to be summing the expression to the right. And when we look closely at the expression, we see that it's in this form, which is a geometric sequence. So although you could start substituting 2 into the formula, evaluating, then increment the index up by 1 to 3, and plug in 3 into the formula, and keep on going until 26 and plug that into the formula, and then you would add up all the terms. But that would take a long time. Instead, what we're going to do is use the partial sum formula for the geometric sequence, which is S of n is equal to a sub 1 parentheses 1 minus r raised to the n over 1 minus r. So the parameters in the formula are a sub 1, r, and n. So a sub 1 is the first term, and we notice something a little bit different about this problem compared to the prior one we did, number 6, that we're not starting with a lower bound of 1, instead 2. So you really do need to find that first term, and the best way of doing it is replacing the n with a 2. So you would get 900 times 1.2 raised to the 2 minus 1. That's 900 times 1.2. Sorry about that. Is 1080. R is going to be the base of 1.2. And to get n, since we don't start at 1, or even if we did, we can use the same protocol. Take the upper bound of the sigma sign minus the lower bound of the sigma sign and add 1 to it, and you get 25. We're now ready to substitute into the formula. So S of 25 is equal to 1080, 1 minus 1.2 raised to the 25th over 1 minus 1.2. So in the calculator, we're going to do control division, 1080, parentheses, 1 minus 1.2 caret 25. In the denominator, we do 1 minus 1.2, and we're going to write down all those digits, 509,739.569878. They want us to round to the nearest integer. Make sure you have the proper notation, S of 25, capital S, and that would be 509,740 because we have to increase the 9 by 1.